They're all aliens, except the Orishas. And I'll explain that later. But right now we're unraveling the cosmic origins of the world's mythologies. Now take a listen to this. Now, since the dawn of human history, we've been told that the gods were just myths. These are powerful stories to explain the unexplainable. But what if I told you that these myths weren't fiction at all? What if every culture across the globe was encoding the same message? The gods were actually aliens and they were here. And this is the cosmic truth that is right in front of our eyes. We're going to start first with the Sumerian-Babylonian, the Anunnaki, who have a long history both in documented mythology and alien conspiracy theories. They are called those who come from the heavens, and according to Sumerian texts, these were not metaphors. These were celestial beings from a distant star system descending to Earth to terraform, to mine gold, and if you believe the myths, to actually create humanity through genetic engineering. And this story isn't just old. This is literally the oldest alien narrative we've known on Earth. We'll look at the Kemetic belief system and the Neterus. The Kemetic deities, the Neterus, weren't just painted on tomb walls. These were cosmic emissaries from the Sirius system. They were bringing technology, spirituality, and celestial order. Hathor's very strong connection to Sirius, the star system. Thoth's wisdom encoded in cosmic symbols. Asuras' journey through death and rebirth all point to contact with advanced star beings. These pyramids were not just tombs, they were star maps and communication beacons. In the Greek mythology, the Olympians didn't rule from a mountain, they governed from a celestial city, their home, not on Earth, but in the Taurus star system, the Hades cluster, or Aldebaran. The rainbow bridge wasn't just exclusive to the Norse. The Greeks had Iris, goddess of the rainbow, representing a wormhole conduit between Earth and the heavens. Hermes, Cacadias, Zeus's thunderbolts, these weren't just symbolic, these were advanced technology. Now we're going to look at the Norse, the Aesir and the Vanir. And Asgard was not just poetic. This was a space station from a higher realm. The Bifrost, the shimmering, multi-hued bridge, this was a wormhole connecting Midgard and Earth to the realm of the Aesir, located possibly on Orion. Thor's hammer, think energy weapon or gravitational tech. Ragnarok wasn't just a prophecy, it's a galactic reset scenario, a cosmic cataclysm encoded in myth. Now we'll look at the Hindu belief systems. The Vedas and the Asuras were not spiritual metaphors, these were cosmic factions, shining ones from Pleiades, Orion, and beyond. And they identify with Ursa Major. They were deeply connected to the Pleiadian and the Orion star clusters. And the Vimanas, these were flying chariots detailed in ancient texts. These weren't allegories, they were descriptions of advanced aerial or spacecraft technology. Now we'll move to the Abrahamic belief system. Now angels with wheels within wheels, multi-winged forms, and booming voices resembled not divine fantasy, but extra-dimensional or extraterrestrial enforcers. The Watchers and the Nephilim, hybrid beings born of angels and humans, mirror stories of interbreeding and genetic manipulation, similar to the Anunnaki lore. This isn't just scripture, this is encoded memory of alien-human interactions. Now we'll move on to some Eastern belief systems. The Chinese, they're celestial, immortals, and dragons. Now in Chinese lore, dragons were not just mythic, they represented cosmic serpentine intelligence tied to the Draco constellation. Celestial immortals were described as beings of advanced wisdom, suggesting interstellar or starborn origins. The dragon's power wasn't just fantasy, it was a symbol of energy manipulation and elemental control. Moving on to the Shinto in Japanese culture. The kami of Shinto are not natural spirits. They were localized manifestation of universal forces with ties to celestial alignments like the Pleiades and lunar nodes. They embody Earth and star energies, representing a bridge between the material and cosmic realms. Also showing in Native American star ancestors and sky people beliefs, and across Native American traditions like the Lakota to the Hopi and the Zunis, we find stories of sky people, star ancestors, and thunder beings. Their origins align with the Pleiadians, Sirius, and Orion, echoing a shared memory of cosmic kinship and guidance from the stars. Now we get to the Orishas, and this is the one that I say is different than all the others. And unlike the others, the Orishas were not from star stars. The Orishas are Earth's immune system. It's the natural protections of Gaia's life force. Oshan, Shango, Yamaija, they embody the elements and protect the planet from within. In this cosmic narrative, the Orishas are the home team, holding the line against foreign influences and cosmic disruptions. Myths are not just stories, these are maps of our cosmic histories. These gods were not just metaphors, they were real forces encoded in legend, worship, and symbolism. From the Anunnaki to the Orishas, from the Pleiades to Terra, it's all connected. We're all descendants of cosmic contact, and it's time to stop calling it fiction.